Welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we're going to talk about 4 things you're going to need when you first get your SRT product from Hellcat Scat Pack RT, and these things will help protect from thieves stealing them, popping them in neutral, stealing a signal from your key fob. So we're going to do a breakdown on the 4 things you need, go from there. Alright, the first one we're going to talk about is a bag or pouch, and this one's called the Faraday. Everything right here is a picture of it, but we're going to show you live in person. And everything, the products is going to be linked below. So I'm going to let my bro talk about this one.
So what we got is the Faraday bag here. It has 2 pockets here. So the first pocket is the pocket so you can put your keys in there or your credit card, and you'll be able to get into your truck or whatever vehicle. But see, you got the second pouch here. This is the pouch here where you put your credit cards and your key in, and this blocks it. So if I tried to get into my TRX now, it wouldn't even send a signal. It wouldn't unlock the doors. You can't start it, nothing. So this is the Faraday bag. You can find it on Amazon for about $9.99 for a 2-pack. That's where I got mine.
Next, we're going to talk about the Tazer, but I'm going to put both links in there. You're going to need the Tazer, and while you get the Tazer shield, and the Tazer shield is going to protect it from being able to unplug it when somebody jump in there. But then also the Tazer has a feature where you put a pin in, so it'll lock it up. I'm having a bro break more down on that too. Links right here. Here's a picture of both of them. And so
I got it from Z Automotive, and basically the update that they have now comes with a security pin where you basically can come up with your own pin, and the security feature that'll lock down your truck. You have to put this pin in order to get your truck out of gear, drive it around, stuff like that. Okay, so basically to set up your pin, you want to go into live settings by using the arrow and the cancel button. So we're in live settings, so we're going to hit the cruise control on button there. Scroll down our live settings all the way until we see set pin. There set pin is. So we're there. So now we want to go ahead and hit the cruise button there, and we're going to make up our pin, which you have from 1 to 6 ways you can make a pin, but we're going to keep it simple. So we're just going to go plus, 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 plus. And then we're going to hit the arrow, hit the cruise button, boom. As you see, our pin is saved. So now every time you start the car, whatever you do, have to put that pin in. So after I got the shield in, got the security pin, Brawler Fab, Booster Bill over at Brawler Fab came up with what you call a Tazer shield. And that is basically a shield that goes around your Tazer and protects your Tazer from being ripped out of your truck and somebody can take your truck. So all them products can be found there. You can find the Tazer over at Z Automotive, and you can find the Tazer shield over at Brawler Fab and Booster Bill. He's the fabricator of that. So,
and then last, what you're going to need right here from Destroyer 1320 is the neutral strap, and then it protects it from thieves putting it in neutral. I know you've seen a lot. That's what most of them get. They push them out your driveway, and because he pulled that neutral strap. So this will protect it where they can't just easily pop it in neutral. And you can check them out. Like I said, website's gonna be below.
If all else fails, all these, products I'm getting you, you still can come out with the old clack clack, old clubby dub dub. Shit.
And that's gonna do it. How to protect your Mopar vehicle. And like I said, all the links are below. And if you want to see the installation videos and more features that these products do, I will have all the videos of installation and also the links to those videos in there. Just check out the video. Go ahead, like, share, subscribe. Till then, see you next time. Peace.